Alright, well, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and I went ahead and logged into my old account here that I used to use, and I'm going to show you what it's like when you have a collection of videos. So first of all, here's your bar, your toolbar right here, and what I want to show you here is where it says My Home, and it's the second over to the right. You want to go ahead and click on My Home, and then this sub bar down here will pull up, and you can click on videos, documents, audio. I'm going to focus on the videos right now, although you can add documents and audio. I'm just going to focus on the video here. I do want to point out that it is a little bit tricky here, that you actually have to go from My Home and then go down and then go over to videos, because if you just start at My Home and then kind of drag over to videos, that choice won't be there. So you got to go to My Home first, go down with the mouse, and then go over and click on videos. Then it's going to take you to your videos here, and your videos will show up like this with the little thumbnails, and since I'm signed up and in, you can actually click on the video and it will play without having any delay. So you'll notice that this video is starting up right away. This is a sample video of what Windows Movie Maker can do, which is something for another topic on another day, but you can edit videos right on your computer. So anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and pause that right now. Go back up here, My Home, Videos, and let's say I wanted to pick one of these videos and I wanted to put it on my LMS, which is a really good thing for TeacherTube. And compared to YouTube, really no different. There's no ads when you embed the video, which is a really cool thing. So let's say I went down here and it was how to balance an equation. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that video, and the video should pop up, and there's my video on how to balance an equation. I could watch it, but I know it's the one I want. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down on the right hand side, and it has this embeddable player, and that embeddable player, let me zoom in on that for you. It is right here, embeddable player. What you want to do is just click your mouse one time on the embeddable player link, and you can either right click and hit copy, or you can hit the button Control C. And what I've done is I've taken that video and I've taken the source code so that I can actually post that on my LMS page. Now if you took a look at the source code, it's not very fun to look at. It just kind of looks like a bunch of hieroglyphics. In fact, you can't even see it on this notepad here. I'll go ahead and take you into the LMS and we'll paste it. I'll show you where you can paste this in there. Anyhow, this is code, and it's not gonna make a whole lot of sense if you just look at it. So anyhow, I've copied this, right click copy, and now I'm going to go to my LMS classroom, and here's my classroom. This is just one of my science classrooms, and what I want to do is go into author mode, and in author mode I want to click on add an announcement. So this is the easiest way to get video in there. So first of all, I'm just going to give it a title. I'll say it's test 3, test video 3. So I just type that in there. And now what I want to do is I want to take that code and I want to have a place to put it. What I may want to do is I may want to set this up first and give this video a title. So I'll go ahead and just type in here test of video file, and I can use in here the normal features up here for rich text. I can make it bold, I can make it large, I can underline it, I can change its color into say green, and so there's my test of video file. Also, I put it on center justified. You can do whatever you want here. Anyhow, the key to getting the video in there is to go down right here where it says HTML right on the bottom. If you click on that, it's going to go ahead and switch everything I just had up there into code, and I just want to go below all that. I can right click and hit paste, click paste. There's all that code that doesn't make any sense to me or to anybody else, and that's in there. And I'm going to go ahead and now click add announcement after pasting that code in there, and I'll go back into the non-author mode, and you can see there's an announcement right here, and it says test video 3. So if I click on that now, it's going to show the test of video file, and here's my video. Now the cool thing is that once it's embedded, even if I'm not signed in, it will play without an ad. So students can go in, whether they have an account or not, TeacherTube, and they can watch it and not have to watch an ad, which is great. If I had just sent them the link or had given them the link, they'd have to watch a 30-second ad unless they were already signed up for TeacherTube. So I did notice one thing. I noticed that the video here wasn't centered, and so it's pretty easy to go ahead and fix that. I want to have that centered in here. So I'll go back to the author mode. And in author mode, I'm going to open up the test video 3. It's right here. I see it, and there's a button right here that says edit. So I'm going to go ahead and edit, and it's going to show me what it all looks like in the non-HTML mode. This is just the what we'd call rich text format. So here I notice that my video is left justified. So I'm just going to select it with my mouse and then hit center, and it's going to center that in there. I could also go and I could just click and hit enter and center justify and just write this is the best video ever. Alright, so I made my edits, I click save changes, and now when I go back to the course mode to what the students are going to see, if I hit test video 3, it is going to show exactly what I put in there with my comments on the bottom. That's really nice. I've already gone ahead and showed you a couple different, I've already made a couple different pages. I wanted to point out right here that you can actually put multiple videos in one of the announcements. So if you wanted to, you could take and put multiple videos in here, and that way you just have one spot for all your videos. And you can also do this with other videos that you find on TeacherTube. Now it's not going to be near as complete as what YouTube might have as far as videos go, but you're going to find some good stuff on there that you may want to post right in your LMS. So that's what I wanted to show you here, and if you have any questions, obviously give me a call or email and I'd be happy to help. Alright, happy videoing.